Bowling over with words. Unraveling the meaning of bowl someone over. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, bowl someone over. This expression is a brilliant example of how vivid and colorful the English language can be. So, if you're ready to add some flair to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Bowl someone over is an idiomatic expression, meaning it's a phrase whose meaning can't be understood from the individual words alone. Initially, this phrase has its roots in the sport of bowling. In bowling, the goal is to knock over pins with a ball. Similarly, when we use the phrase, bowl someone over, we're talking about making a strong impression on someone, so much so that they are metaphorically knocked over by your actions or words. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use bowl someone over in everyday conversation. Her performance really bowled the judges over. Here, it means her performance was so impressive that it amazed the judges. I was bowled over by the beauty of the landscape. This shows that the speaker was deeply impressed or moved by the landscape's beauty. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning and usage of bowl someone over. Some synonyms include astonish, amaze, impress. You might also hear variations like bowled over or bowling over. The meaning remains the same, but the form changes depending on the sentence structure. When using bowl someone over, remember, it's usually used in a positive context. It's great for emphasizing the impact or effect of something or someone. It's an informal expression, so it's best used in casual conversations or creative writing. And that's a wrap on bowl someone over. We hope this video has bowled you over with its insights and helps you use this colorful expression in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, keep exploring the wonderful world of English idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.